Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell in the title, I will be playing with the new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette, and I am so excited to try it out. I did see it online and I received it in PR, so thank you so much Urban Decay for sending it to me. I am excited to try it. When I did see it online, I did have some thoughts. I love the way it looked and everything, but when I got it online, I did notice that a lot of purples, I'm going to show you guys really quick here. A lot of these purples are shimmers. You guys can't see that there, but they're all shimmers. I'm also going to be putting some swatches up on the screen here of my arm here. I'm not going to do it here. I should just post a picture of the swatches for you guys because I feel like when I do swatches, it makes the video longer. I like it. I like the fact that it does have some nudes. I would have loved for them to do like the whole palette, like purple. Just give me all purples, please. But it doesn't look bad. I feel like this is wearable for anybody that is interested in wearing color. So this is really nice for that. Aesthetically, it looks cute. So I am really excited to try this out and try it out on my face and create a look with it. I kind of don't know what I'm going to do, but I like to just go with the flow and see what I can create. This is the box that it comes with. It's basically like all the other palettes. It comes in like a box like this. It has all the names right here and any information that you need to know about the palette. It's gonna be behind right here, and obviously it has like the ingredients over here as well. So let's just go ahead and just jump right into the video. I just want to do the look already because first of all, look how nice the packaging is. It's like really nice. I like the fact that it has a little bit of like the blue, because there is a little bit of a blue shadow here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this one right here. That is like a little shimmer blue, which I am excited to try out. Let's just get into it. I like to use their brushes. I actually like the brushes that it comes with. I think they're really cool and nice, and I always like receiving them. It looks like this, and it has like a pencil brush right here in the bottom and a fluffy dense brush here. So for my eyeshadow base, I am going to be using their primer potion. We're gonna be using this as a base since we're using Urban Decay. And I actually really like the way this is. I like the fact that it's like a nice neutral color for the eyelid. So that's what we're going to be using. For the first shade, I am going to be going with this one right here. This one is called Mind Slip. And I'm going to be adding this to like the crease and just kind of creating like a nice base. I am going to just kind of pack it in there and just tap it to just kind of create like a nice base here and just creating the mood. You guys, I do wish that this palette did have a little bit more mattes to play with, at least some purple mattes, because like that I can really kind of create a look with this. I understand that some people like to use a lot of shimmers, and that's okay, but I do wish that it did have a bit more of mattes for my taste, you know. But some of the shimmers are just mind-blowing beautiful. We're gonna see what we can create with this, with the limited mattes that I have going on. I'm also gonna be adding Mind Slip to the inner corner and just kind of creating a little bit more dimension there and just more depth. So I'm just basically tapping it in there and just trying to smudge it out. Now I'm gonna go in with Hacked, which is this one right here, and it's like a cool toned brown purple. It's like a brown, like a cool tone brown, I think. And we're gonna be going in and just kind of adding that to the crease as well, and kind of mixing that in with Mind Slip, and we're just gonna be creating that little dimension and making it more deeper. And I'm kind of winging it out a little bit so we can just kind of create that kind of shape of the eye that I want to get. Bringing that in to the inner corner like I did with Mind Slip, and just kind of blending those two together. And with the pencil brush right here, I am going to be going in with Hacked again, and we're going to be using that to the bottom of my eye right here and just kind of like smoking it out just a little bit here. So I do want to say that a lot of this kind of shadows that I am using, you're better off like pressing them on a little and then blending out. Like that, you're going to be able to see more of the color payoff like that. Because if you just kind of go in and start swiping it, you might not. So that's why I recommend you kind of just tapping it in there and then blending it out. Because like, trust me you guys, that's the only way you're going to be able to see it. So far these shadows are fine, they're okay, but I do feel like I have to really kind of blend in those two colors, Mindslip and Hack, for it to just kind of come out naturally and just blend nicely. They're not bad, I just, you know, I am having to kind of like blend them in very nicely. But actually so far really like the way the look is coming out. So for my lid, I don't know what I want to play with. I'm just like looking at all these colors and they're all just so freaking pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with Warning, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna be using my finger because I just feel like they're gonna be better with my finger. And I'm gonna be tapping that onto the lid, and I just love the way it's already kind of looking here, and that's what I wanted to do. So pretty, you guys. And this is with my finger. I don't know how well it's gonna do with a flat brush, but right now I have no flat brushes clean, so we're using the finger. I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing it on my other lid, and I am gonna be playing with more of these shimmers that we have here because I feel like I'm actually creating like a really nice look with this, even though I'm like very limited on the mattes. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below about that. What did you guys think when you guys saw the palette? What did you expect from the Ultraviolet palette from Urban Decay? Let me know. But I know that Urban Decay tends to do like throw some neutrals in there because they just kind of have to. But so far I actually don't hate it. I really don't. I think it looks really nice. So now I'm gonna go in with Euphoric, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna be adding that on top just to create more of like that duo chrome eye look. And I'm kind of like starting to like blend it upwards here. I like the way these two colors are blending. It looks really, really nice. So I ended up finding like this little flat brush that I had. So I'm going to be using this one to grab the shade Lucid, which is this shade right here. And it's like a nice duo like blue color. I can't tell you, I can't describe it. It's just really, really nice, like very pearly. So we're going to be using that and adding it to the inner corner and just kind of like creating like this nice, dope, highlighty inner corner. And I love it. Look, you guys, it is so pretty. What I want to do is I'm gonna kind of start slowly blending it upwards here to the inner corner here on top, and just creating like this nice dimension here, bringing it all the way up. And I'm going to be using the same shade, and I'm going to add that to the brow bone. You guys, look at that shade, is amazing. It looks so pretty. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little surprised of the look that I'm able to create with this palette. I was being like, you know, when I was like kind of just sitting here, I'm like, what can I do with this? Because when you see it in person, it is a little bit different. And I was like, what can I do with this? But now that I'm sitting here and creating the look, it actually is not that bad. You just have to be really creative and like kind of going in there. But so far, I love the way it looks. I really like the way these are all blending in together. I'm going to go in with Warning, the first kind of purple shade I went in with. And I'm just going to make sure that I blend that in with the shade Lucid. Just make sure that I blend that in. That looks really nice, you guys. I like that. I really, really do. So I'm going to go in with Cyberpunk, which is this dark purple. I'm going to go in with the little flat brush that I have here. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of that to the outer corner here, just to kind of deepen it just a little bit of that purple, just so it can blend nicely with the transition colors that I use. Just kind of blending it in here. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. You guys, for being like these shimmers, I feel like, first of all, I feel like a lot of these shimmer looks are kind of in right now. And I feel like I was able to create like a really cool look. So I'm going to go in with Euphoric, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner here and just kind of blending that out. So I'm slowly kind of tapping it in there and blending it out right here. So we can kind of like match that and kind of blend it in with the inner corner. And don't worry, I'm going to go in with Lucid again, which is that nice green foamy, I don't know what it is. It's just like a really nice color. And we're going to kind of blend that in with the purple. Just so you can see how nice they blend together. But so far, I am loving the way this is coming out, guys. I think I was able to pull it off. I was kind of like a little bit scared. But we did it. We did it. Okay, guys, so this is the look so far. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera to put some lashes on and to put some lipstick on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Okay, guys, so my final thoughts on this palette is that I give it like a 1 to 10. I give it like a 7, 8. I actually like the palette a lot. The only thing I could say is literally the fact that it does not have enough purple mattes for me. The fact that these Mind Slip and Hacked kind of blend in very like nicely to create like a specific tone. I did have to kind of work hard enough so it can kind of blend in together. But I think it's either because I feel like Mind Slip, it's like kind of almost like the same color as my skin tone, and just like, and the way it blends, and Hacked is such a cool tone color, so like just blending those together sometimes for me it's like it was a little weird because I've never played with those kind of colors together, but they work good. I actually like them a lot. I am in love with Lucid, and like these 3 purple colors there, I feel like Lucid looks so good. Like it looks so pretty, and I love that so much. Euphoric, which is this shade here, it is stunning, stunning, with especially mixing Euphoric and Lucid together. There's just amazing. So I actually really love the way this looks. I do want to say that Optimized, it is a matte color. I'm not gonna say it's not, it is, but I don't know, it's like the only purple shade. I am going to continue playing with this palette because it is really pretty. But honestly, I do love the look that I created today. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look. What do you guys think of the palette? Would you guys grab it? Would you guys not? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little fan band, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys have not seen my other videos and you guys want to check me out and my other videos, you guys can. And lastly, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.